Welcome to Wednesday. It is Wednesday, and we've started making a little progress on designing my own character, which I'd like to show you. Right here in, maybe I should move this over a little bit like that. Yeah, so you can see the layers. This is the Zelda-inspired character that came with the Cobra Code course. These are some of the animations I've been making. I showed these in the last video at the end. At the time, I just wanted to get started with animation. I didn't want to get bogged down by character design and like just thinking too much about it because I had this character already. And so a couple of days after, I took the sprite sheet that came with the course and I created this little character. Just drawing on top, having fun. And fun we had. Then I wanted to bring him into here where I'm making the animations, but I started having these thoughts. Like here, I'd already started getting in the habit of separating. It saves a lot of time making simple animations. And so I started doing the same for this one. You have to get into the habit of clicking on the exact frame in this little Asesprite matrix. Go, we have a body. See, that doesn't quite line up. Let's change that straight away. Is there opacity? Let's have a little look at the, okay. All right, making a little progress. Doing my layers right here. Head. See? Now, I also have, they should simply be attached. Now they look more like horns. Not sure about that. So the next thing is I need to make a new layer for here. That's where I'm at. So we go here to the head. Make sure we're on the right layer. Q, which is an odd one. And then you get this pixel perfect lasso tool. Suppose we can just go around here like that. We do a copy. We go to the new layer, click, paste, go here, back to the head layer, and we give him a nice bald head brush. Like that. This line should be part of the eyes. See? Different character. So now erase hair layer. Like that. And that should give me enough layers to animate separately, speed things up, less art to create. Like imagine if he's just blinking, which I did before in this calm down. I could now keep the body and the legs, but I can rotate the head, give different expressions, and then I don't have to draw the body and the legs the whole time. It's going to save time. And these are my animations. Okay, I actually thought of giving him a golden tooth. Oh, it is Thursday. I'm in the wrong tool. And the last 2 nights up until 5 a.m. I've been making little animations. First, I put in my little character. Then I hit enter in Asesprite. And he's running. I don't know why it snaps back. Because it wants to keep the animation in the bar on screen. But you can just hit one of the frames while it's playing and it switches over. This is the idle with a blink. And then this is a glance to the left. Glance to the right. Stand in place. Look left, right, left, right. And that's where I'm at. Pretty happy. Just having fun. Just, you know, getting the feel for the different layers, which are all up here. Hair, eyes, mouth, eyes and ears, I should say. Mouth, head, body, legs. And I'm pretty happy with how this is coming out. It's very time consuming, but so far like 2 animations a day. So hopefully I can get some more done before we're off to Japan. Okay. only have 2 frames for walking straight down. So let's see. A new frame.